Assalamu alaikum my dear students of level 8. How are you all of you? Hope so you all are fine. Now students, open your skill booster pack, page number 3 of subject maths. Students, here we have a question on page number 3. If Umair has Rus 30m plus 25n and Zahid has Rus 50m plus 17n, can they buy book costing Rus 40m plus 12n? Students, here are two persons, Umair and Zahid, which having the price this and this. Students, we have to tell, can they buy a book which is costing this? So students, we have to add these two terms, then we can decide that they can buy this book, yes or not. Students, let us start the solution. First we have to write statement. Umair has Rus 30m plus 25n. Students, give the name of this equation as 1. Next we have Zahid has Rs 50m plus 17n. This is equation number 2 for us. Next we have, can they buy book costing? Students, we have to tell, can they buy the book which cost having the costing this. Students, now by adding 1 and 2, add these two terms. Students, 30 plus 50 is 80. Here is m, so here is also m. Next we have 25 plus 17, 42n. Students, it's mean Umair and Zahid both have this amount and the price of book is this. Students, we can see that here is 80m and here is 40m. Here is 12n and here is 42n. It's mean this price is greater than this. So students, we can say that yes, they can buy a book costing Rus 40m plus 12m because they have more money than the price of book. Hope so students, we have done your question. Next students, we have solve, find out square and cubes. Students, here some questions are given. We have to find their square and cubes. Students, square mean if a number multiplied by 8, it's called square. For example, we have 2 multiplied by 2 gives 4, that is square. And in cubes, we have to multiply a number 3 times. For example, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, it's called the cube of 2. So students, let us start. First we have to find square of 64. Students, but there we have a condition to find square. We have to use this formula to find square. So students, convert this 64 into this form. We have to write 64 as 60 plus 4 whole square. Now students, apply this formula, a square plus 2ab and b square. Here 60 is a and 4 is b. Now students, solve it. 60 multiplied by 60 is 3600 and 2 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 4 having the answer 480 and 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Now students, add the three values and get the answer here. Next students, we have to find 8 square minus 6 square by using an identity days. Students, here we have a square and minus b square, which is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So students, convert this into this form, a plus b, a minus b. Here 8 is a and 6 is b. Now students, see next page number 4. Here we have a square minus 6 square. Students, in the previous page we have here 8 plus 6, which is 14. Right here 14. And next we have 8 minus 6, which is 2. So students, write here 2 and multiply each other. Students, 14 2s are 28. So we can say that 8 square minus 6 square is equals to 28. Also students, you have done. Students, next we have a question, 7 minus 5 square. We have to solve it also by using identity. Students, there is identity, apply on this. Here 7 is a and 5 is b. Students, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now solve it. 7 multiplied by 7, 49. 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 is 70. And 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Now students, first add 49 and 25. We get 74. And here minus 70. After subtracting it, we get the answer 4. Next students, we have question. Find the value of 28 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 28 plus 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11 by using this formula. Students, we have to solve this question by using this formula. Students, to solve this question, take a colored paper and solve this question on a colored paper and paste on your skill booster pad. Student, see here we have question. 28 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 28 plus 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. Students, we can write 28 as 23 exponent 3 and 11 exponent 3, because here 23 is 3 times, also 11 is 3 times. Now students, by using identity a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Students, now let us start by putting values. Students, here 28 is a and 11 is b. So students, here first we have a plus b, so 28 plus 11. Next we have a square 28 square minus ab, 28 multiplied by 11 plus b square 11 square. Now students, solve it. 28 plus 11 is 39. 28 multiplied by 28 is 784. And 28 multiplied by 11 is 308. And 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. Now students, next we have to add. This is a positive value. This is also positive. Add both these values. We get 905. And next we have minus 308 as it is. Students, now subtract these two values. We get 597. Now multiply this by 39 and we get the answer 23,283. Hope so students, you have understand this question. Next students, we have identities to remember. Students, here some identities are given. We have to solve them and remember them. First we have a plus b ka cube, which is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next we have a minus b ka cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Next we have a cube plus b cube, which is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Next we have a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Hope so students, you have done. Now students, move next. Next we have to find the cube of 1008. Students, convert this into two digits. Next we can write it as 1000 plus 8 ka cube. Now students, we can apply this identity on this question. Now students, here 1000 is a and b is 8. First we have a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Now students, solve it. Take cube of 1000, we get this value. Cube of 8 is 512 and multiply this 3 multiply by 1000 multiply by 8, we get 24,000. Next we have to add these two values. After adding, we get this value. Next we have to multiply these two values. These two values are written as it is. Now multiply by these two values, we get this value. Now add all these values and we get this answer. That is our answer. Next we have students, last part of page number 4. 4 plus 3 cube. Here 4 is a and 3 is b. Now apply again this identity on this question and solve it. See here students, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Students, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 3 is 27, and next we have to multiply 3, 4 and 3, which is 36, and 4 plus 3 is 7. Now students, multiply 36 by 7, we get the answer 252, and here we have as it is 64 and 27. Now students, add these three values, we get the answer 343. Hope so students, you have done your page number 3 and 4. We will meet tomorrow inshallah with new video. Allah Hafiz.